So today I'm on lunch break once again, and it's 1:51 p.m. Friday, December 20th, 2024, and we almost out of here. And right now I'm finna go to this little Caribbean spot and see what I can come up with. Do y'all a little review on this Caribbean food I pick up. I don't know, what should I do? Curry goat, curry chicken, jerk chicken. What should I do? Oxtail, beef patties, what? Brown stew chicken, stew beef. I don't know, what should I do? I'm probably gonna do brown stew chicken with oxtail gravy over my peas and rice. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Face looking a little rough, but it's cool. It's cool. So I'll be back when I get to the Jamaican spot.
You on a receipt? Are you gonna dine in or take out?
To go.
All right, this will make it sound when your order's ready.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it.
All right. I will. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Here the Island Pub and Grill. And get me the brown stew chicken. So here you see me sitting live over at the Caribbean Jamaican spot, Island Pub and Grill. I love to smash it. Right now I'm just waiting on my order, vibing, sipping on my lemonade, and listening to some Caribbean tunes, man. It don't get no greater than this. Stay tuned. And if you haven't, like, comment, subscribe. What's good, YouTube? And it's your boy, and I'm back with another food review. And today, we went to Island Pub and Grill. It's your local Jamaican and Caribbean spot. And I got the rice and peas with the plantains and the brown stew chicken with the cabbage, with the oxtail gravy over the rice and peas. Watch how your boy mash this right here. What's good? What's good? What's good? And I'm finna smash this food that I got. I'm finna see what it's talking about, cause it's usually always a hit. I don't think I ever had number once or twice where it wasn't hitting like that. But let's see what it do. I'm gonna try this brown stew chicken and see what it's like. Mm-hmm. Plantain. Mm-hmm. Let's try to see what that good chicken look like. Mmm. See them good plantains. Them good. They good. Mmm. Now for them. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Good rice and peas. Y'all see it. Y'all see how I'm digging. Mm-hmm. They good. I ain't got no complaints today. Mm-hmm. That brown stew chicken got a few little bones in it. You know? So I have to be careful. Mm-hmm. I know y'all like, damn, he turned that food up. It's good. Mm-hmm. Let's see what this lemonade hitting about. Cause what I told y'all, I hate to get food and my drink be nasty. Got me some good ginger lemonade. It's good. Nothing like good ginger lemonade. So y'all want to see what I'm doing? I'm supposed to be doing a food review, right? Y'all see, got me chewing like a madman. Hungry as a hostage. I think that's gonna be my new food review title. Hungry as a hostage. What do y'all think? But yeah. We came, we saw, we ate. Real life reviews. It was good. Couldn't eat a lot because I got too damn hungry. Y'all ever get like that? Be so damn hungry. When you finally get to the food, the first couple bites, fill you up. So I'm gonna go in here, finish up these little cuts I got. Cause I still got to go grab a few Christmas items. And also I need me a good sweatshirt to wear from my people over at FST Apparel. But when I go in the mall, I'm gonna do a video on that too when I buy the sweatshirt. So for the most part, thanks for tuning in to the food review. Island Pub, you was a hit. Thank you.
Yeah. I purposed something. All good. We wanted to send out how to get higher food, so. Or to, to all the workers, so.
Today we're doing lunch at the Island Pub and Grill. I'm on my little lunch break, so I'm gonna do a little review. And I'm having a brown stew chicken with cabbage, rice, and peas. Dropping heat. Oh yeah, so after I ate my food and got everything down, I give Island Pub 5 stars for the day. Everything was good as usual. So there you have it. We give them 5 stars today. Everything was good. Thanks, Island Pub. But as y'all can see, it's pretty scrumptious. Got the cabbage hitting. It's seasoned to perfection. Of course, I ain't gonna be able to eat all this because I got to go in the shop and cut a few heads. Just figure I'd do a little food review for y'all real quick. Y'all out there in YouTube land. Oh yeah, I forgot. They got great lemonade. Let's see what it's about.